Okay, so for today's marketing report with Jeff, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to focus on, we're going to start focusing on helping different types of businesses find great ways to promote and put and their products and find new customers. We're going to do two things today for folks that have air conditioning businesses. The first place we're going to go, we're going to explore Google Trends. And what I've done, I've already typed in air conditioning on Google Trends. You get there at trends.google.com. I looked up air conditioning. Now, notice here, of course, we can see the interest over the past year. Naturally, June, July, interest in air conditioning is at a high point. Starts to drop down in the winter, okay? Based on Google, the #1 place in the country with an interest in air conditioning issues is Louisiana, followed by Florida, and Hawaii, Mississippi, and Texas. You can see they're dark blue. But this is interesting. These are some of the queries that people are using that have been most common in looking for issues of air conditioning. AC Hotel Charlotte. Now, unless you're in Charlotte, North Carolina, or some other Charlotte in America, that really doesn't do any good. But AC tune-up near me. Now, when you go to write articles, if you use the keyword terms AC tune-up near me in those articles, there's a good possibility that your articles are going to rank. People are going to find you. That is the top #2 most searched topic for the year when it comes to air conditioning. The third one is Toshiba portable air conditioner. If in any way, shape, or form your business either offers Toshiba portable air conditioners or offers a competitive version of the Toshiba portable air conditioner, that would be a really good article that you could write for your website to help people find your website, because that is a third most popular term that's used. Arctic King AC, wall-mounted AC unit. You see the order of these, right? On down here, Hard Rock Hotel AC. Okay, that one probably doesn't do any good. Mini split AC unit. These are becoming very, very popular. A lot of people checking into them. And these other two, unless you write in Spanish on your website, this one's not going to do you any good. So this gives you just a few ideas for what you can write about on your website to help people find you. Now, keep up with these trends every so often. Come in, type in air conditioning as a topic, because these queries are going to change. They're going to change over time. You'll find new ones. You'll find current trending ideas. You can even shrink this down. You can say, okay, within the past 30 days. Now let's see what's trending in the past 30 days on this. Now we see the past 30 days, Louisiana drops down the list a little bit. But here's some weird one. Air conditioners are sexist. 4,800% up. For whatever reason, that topic is trending. Now, I don't know how you'll fit that into your website, but, you know, people are weird. You know, you might be able to fit it in. But air conditioner cover, Mitsubishi Electric Air, Friedrich, these AC covers. These are the top 25 things that are trending right now this past month. So these are some hot topics. And if you want to narrow that even further, we can say, okay, what's been trending in the last hour? Okay? In the last hour. Who invented air conditioning? That's up 350%. So there might be a really good article for your website right there. Who invented air conditioning? Boom. You know, okay, maybe that's a paragraph. But then you can continue on. You can talk about air conditioning service near me. Heating and air conditioning near me. Of course, heating and air conditioning. That would be trending. Winter is coming up, right? So if you do not just cool air, but you also do heat, now you've got a really good topic for your company. Air conditioning repair. Anyway, you can see the top 6. AC repair near me. Now, another trick that you can use if you're do AC repair is to come over here to your Google Ads. If you don't have a Google Ads account, all you need is a Gmail to do it. Gmail is free to sign up. You can get a Gmail account anywhere if you don't already have one. You come over here, and this is one of the nicest little tools you're ever going to find. Click on Tools and Settings right here. Go to Keyword Planner. Now, this is going to do a couple of things. Even if you're not using Google Ads, you can come in here and click Keywords. And let's just type in air conditioning. Okay? And we'll get results. This is going to give us all kinds of ideas. Like up here, we get ways that we can broaden our search. These are things. Now we see these large average number of monthly searches, right? 100,000 to a million. Oh man, that looks really good. Yeah. No, what you want to do is come up here, locations. Change that location. This is for the entire country. What we want to do is target an area. Now, since I live in Lake Charles, Louisiana, I'm going to put Lake Charles. If you live somewhere else, you might want to put somewhere else. And I'm going to choose the DMA region. If I chose just Lake Charles, it would just give me Lake Charles. By doing the Nielsen DMA region, I get the entire region that is considered Lake Charles. This is, I don't know how they calculate it, but it has to do with marketing. Okay, so right here, now we see the searches drop down a little bit. 100 to 1,000 searches for air conditioner, portable air conditioning repair, portable AC unit. All of these keywords are possibilities for things that you can write about on your website. These are the actual terms that people are really typing in when they want information about AC repair, whatever. Window units at Walmart, Home Depot, small portable, ductless air conditioner, ductless AC unit. All these, you can see the terms that are coming up. You also see there's 985 such terms. So if you really want to kind of go through this and find some really good ideas for writing articles, not only for your website, but also articles on maybe posts on Facebook, maybe longer posts about answering questions or whatever, these are some of the good possibilities that will get you found. Now, if you want to get all these, just come up here and click Download Keyword Ideas, and it's going to download what's called a CSV, which is really the equivalent of an Excel spreadsheet. The big difference is, and you'll see my little editorial spreadsheet there, the big difference between this spreadsheet and the Excel is just in the format, so there's nothing to worry about. But right here, you'll get all the keywords in one simple location. You can go through and you can sort them how you want and determine what you want to do with them. Now, I'll show you one other thing. If you happen to be using Google Ads, okay, and you want to see how much your ads are gonna cost you, one of the most popular ones that people use is air conditioner near me. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to change this. I'm going to put AC repair near me. I want to show you a little something with that. That is one of the most common things that companies will use for keywords. You can put these keywords in an article and get found, and it doesn't cost you a dime. If you use this in your Google Ads, it's going to cost you anywhere from $4 to $15 per click on that. If, however, you just go with air conditioning repair, once again, same thing, really high. But you can put these same keywords into articles and talk about AC repair near me. We do this. Make sure you put that in the page of your content, and that page is going to get found when somebody types that in, even without running an ad. So that's a little way to save you some money. Hope it helps. These are just some ideas for folks that have air conditioning companies, ways that you can improve your marketing for your website. Of course, if you need any help, Oaks Writing here, we're glad to help at any given time. This has been your Marketing Report with Jeff. You have a really great day, and thanks for listening. Thanks for watching, listening too.